Well, the visuals that you are seeing here, that's the arrival of Prince Misuzulu. We are bringing you these exclusive visuals here. I'm going to ask my colleague Nkanyiso Mdlalose to come to me now and come this side as long we want to show you these arrivals. This is the arrival of Prince Misuzulu, the king's firstborn son, to Queen Mantombi uMadlamini. As you see, he is being welcomed by Ibutho likaZulu. This is one of the front runners for the Zulu throne and the Zulu kingdom. This is Prince Misuzulu. His name has been on the news for a very long time. There has been speculation about him. He's been welcomed by Ibutho here as he will go down to join the memorial service that is taking place there. I think it's for the first time that we see the visual of Misuzulu. He is been touted as one of those strong candidates. He's been welcomed by senior princes, including Prince Vanana Zulu. As you can see, he's being flanked by his brothers. I can tell you that on his left, I can see Prince Bambindlovu, and on his left, I can see Prince Simingaye. So the visuals that you see here are the visuals of Prince Misuzulu. He is arriving at Wakangela Mankengane Royal Palace. He did not attend the interment of his mother, that is Queen Mantombi, simply because as a possible future king of the Zulus, culture and tradition and protocol does not allow him to be where there is a funeral service taking place. You'll have to bear with us for the shaky visuals. We are working backwards trying to give you these visuals live and direct as Prince Misuzulu, who is the firstborn son to Queen Mantombi, arrives at Wakangela Mankengane Royal Palace. In front, a person who is commanding Ibutho is Prince Vanana Zulu of Kwaminyamanzi. Kwaminyamanzi is one of the houses of the Zulu royal family. So as you see here, Prince Misuzulu being flanked, he is wearing a black t-shirt underneath, and he is carrying a stick. They're chanting Amahubo with the Zulu princes. Let's listen to this significant song which says Winkosi Yoshanga, the king. Let's just give you natural visuals.